Roman Reigns has a walking mountain in front of him.
Reigns can hardly think of Hell in a Cell because he's got to try to get through Strowman.
You're in there with a man.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is the story. Every time Roman Reigns has dealt with Braun Strowman, he's been manhandled. He's been dismantled.
Yeah, but look where Strowman is. Strowman's in trouble, guys. Reigns with a drive-by. Strowman on his knees. Strowman's on his knees. Reigns may have him where he needs him.
Reigns is sensing weakness.
Reigns gonna go for it again.
See what Roman has.
Oh, and he ran right into a vicious clothesline. And Reigns may be out cold.
Wow.
Watch this
Look
impact.
at this. Just wow. Just that huge arm sticking out that almost cut Roman in half again.
Just when you think you're making headway against Braun Strowman, he takes all your hope away.
Uh-oh, look out now. Roman Reigns with a big right hand. Reigns with a right hand to Strowman. Strowman, guys, may be in trouble. He's leaning right out on our announce table here. Bounced off again by Reigns.